Wagwan viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla here again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Is it? Yeah, my people, so I have information that I'm going to give to you and I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, first things first. I got information that a man was fatally shot by police in Ocho Center, Jamaica on Thursday. Now, according to information that I got, it is said that the person who had been shot and killed by the police was traveling inside of a motor vehicle. I did not get any confirmed information as to how many persons was inside of that motor vehicle. Allegedly, it is said that police signaled the driver of the motor vehicle to stop, but the driver did not stop the motor vehicle. Allegedly, it is said that police say that someone pointed a gun in police direction. Allegedly, it is said that the police took action and police fired in the direction of the motor vehicle. And as a result of that, someone who was in that motor vehicle had been shot. It is said that the motor vehicle that the person was traveling in crashed, and at some point, the person was pronounced dead. Now, it is said that police say a firearm was seized, viewers and subscribers, and I did not get any information about the identity of the man who had been shot and killed. And please bear in mind that there are more information out there about this whole situation. So you can check the comment section of this video, as I might leave a comment or comments to let you know what I know if possible. Now, I am going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons. The video shows two persons who was somewhat trying to take a machete away from each other, or the video shows two persons who was holding on to a machete. The video shows a tussle between those two persons who was holding the machete. In my point of view, and based on what I saw and heard in the video, I assume that at least one of those two persons was trying to prevent the other person from hurting him with the machete. Now, if you listen to the video carefully, you might get an understanding as to what the confrontation might be about between those two persons. And I want to ask each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, would you call the police or not if you see two persons wrestling or tussling with each other over a machete? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video. Now, viewers and subscribers, here I'm going to leave the video with you, but please bear in mind that this video shows a hostile situation. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Make sure tell you. Me now take it. Alright. Remember me telling you. Here? Remember me telling that. In a over jet. Don't over. You can't go lick me back. You lick me just back. You lick me back. You don't bother stop. You don't bother stop. I see my family going down. can't stick it. This is a fool. Just tell you lick me. Don't worry yourself. Nice. Yeah. Dog alright, you come right as well, you know, don't jet down here, make sure I tell you. Fire. Remember, you know, don't. You know, just in that car. But come and say, the first thing I'm going to make one buckle out yard. I'm in the house. I'm making it the house. The land, maybe up here. You want to go there?
Imagine going yard. Imagine one buckle out there.
Yo. Let me tell you something. Go around. God, go here, man. One buckle out doing it, man.
One buckle out. How do you man? Do that for man.
God,
yo, man, yard.
One buckle out. Yo.
Throw no, give them blood back where.
Yo.
Hey, you give yourself one.